Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to share with you 20 things you should know before you buy the brand new Cricut Mug Press. So I am a researcher, guys. So before I buy anything, I always want to know as much as I can about it so I can make an informed decision. So I just decided to share what I found out with you guys so you too can make your own informed decision. Release date. According to Cricut.com, it will be released on 3/11/21. You'll also be able to find it at Joann's, and they have some of the prices here showing what you can do with the press itself, and then it'll be available on Michael's as well, and so forth and so on. So everybody will have it on 3/11. Now let's talk about pricing. The machine itself, according to Cricut.com, as of today is going to be $199, so that is a $200 price tag. You'll also have the option to get the everything materials bundle, which as of today is going to run you $259.99. So that pretty much has everything in it, even 8 blanks, so that you can get started as soon as you get the machine. The other bundle is going to be the essentials materials bundle. So it's just a little bit. So just want to just dip your toe in there a little bit. That bundle is going to run you $219.99. Like I said, as of the time of recording these videos, that is the price that is there. Now, how do we create these designs? We are going to, of course, create them in Design Space, and Design Space has templates available already. So I don't know if you've been in there recently and you've seen it. The templates are there, even though the product isn't available yet worldwide. The templates are there. You can start to play with them, buy whatever you want. You also have a template where you can just do your own thing, which I probably will be using that particular one because I don't see anything that stands out. But for my first project, I'll probably do something, personal to me. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so you'll need to use your Infusible Ink Sheets, which start at about $12.99 depending upon the design you select. And then also, Cricut has brought out brand new sheets that are specific to the mug press. They are $6.99. And they come with 2 sheets in the pack. The thing about these are they are 4.5 by 12 inches wide, so that totally wraps well around the mug that you are going to be pressing. So that's kind of cool. But like I said, the regular sheets will work just as well. The Cricut will cut it out to size for you. Now, also you can use the Infusible Ink Markers or the pens. They start at about $14.99. If you catch them on sale, that's awesome. But this way you will be able to draw your design with your Cricut and pretty much go from there. So with these products, the pens or the markers, you'll definitely want to use butcher paper to protect from bleeding. And then you're going to want to use laser copy paper to draw your design on. You are going to want to secure whether or not you're using the infusible ink or the markers. You're going to want to secure it down with heat resistant tape. And you guys know you can get that from almost anywhere. And another tidbit is you're going to want to use a lint roller to remove any debris from the mug before the press, because you don't want that debris to become a part of your design. Now, Cricut does have its own line of blanks that you can use, but you can also use sublimation blanks as well for this. It's going to work with their infusible inks. So a basic mug can run you $5.99, and it pretty much goes up in price from there. And then, like I said, if you have a place that you normally get your blanks from as far as your mugs, go for it. As long as it's the right size, it will work. Now, the machine is going to work with the Maker, the Joy, as well as the Explorer, the Explorer family. So this just says the Air 2, but it's totally going to work with that family. So if you already have one of these machines, you're already got your foot in the game. So you're perfectly fine with that. Okay, moving on. This press can accommodate a straight wall mug. So I don't know if you guys know, sometimes you go to Dollar Tree, it's the mug itself like is a little squarish. It has to be completely round to fit perfectly in the press. So the mug can be as small as 11 ounces or as big as 16 ounces. And then one thing you do want to remember is, according to the manufacturer's website, please work in a well-ventilated area because those infusible inks do emit a vapor. So that's important. We don't want nobody getting sick. So the press has a one-touch heating system. So once you turn it on, that's it. You turn it on and then it begins to heat up. And once it's heated, the button will turn green, and that's right on top of the press here. As well as there are 5 indicator lights. Those lights are going to tell you the progression of your actual press itself. Now, the press can last anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes as far as it's heating up the cup to transfer the image. And then you also have a lever here that is going to secure your mug in place. And then when the press is done, you lift this lever again and it is going to release it. From what I can tell, the design of the Cricut Mug Press is going to be, it looks really small. And it looks like it is really easy to work with. You don't have to worry about, well, what temperature should I do this and what temperature should I do that. It is a smart machine, so it'll figure that out for you. Now, also, I want to let you know with initial setup, you are going to have to use your laptop. From there, you will be able to use your Apple or Android device, but in order for your machine to recognize the press, it will have to be done from your laptop or your desktop. So the other thing I want to let you know is really important to me, because so often I actually I was covering my mugs in vinyl because I was not working with sublimation at all. So the great thing about this particular way of doing it with the infusion ink is the finished product is actually going to be dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about giving a gift with a disclaimer. And I had a friend the other day tell me, hey, someone gave me a mug, it had a pretty name on it, but except the letters fell off when I put it in the dishwasher. And I chuckled to myself because it was vinyl and wasn't supposed to go in the dishwasher. It wasn't supposed to go in the dishwasher, but you know, you live and learn. And of course that person must have forgotten to tell her, hey, don't do that. Also, the last thing, which is the 20th thing you should know before you buy this, is that it's also microwave safe. So once again, you can give a gift and the recipient doesn't have to worry about all the rules that come along with the gift that you are giving. So guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope that me sharing these little tidbits with you is very helpful. Now, once I receive the product, I am going to do an unboxing. I am going to do a couple of projects and then I will do a review on it. So if you are on the fence, I'm going to give you a full out what Porcha is thinking review, and then that way you can strongly make your own decision about whether or not to buy. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. But until next time, peace.